One thing about doing math on the slide rule is I believe it can change your perception on how math works. So let's do a simple problem. Let's do 1/3 times 1/2. Now, we already know the answer. We can just do that in our heads. That's going to be 1/6. Now, I know that's super easy to figure out without a slide rule. Just forget about that. I just want to show you how looking at this concept on the slide rule can give you a visual picture of how all this stuff is actually working. So let's start by finding our fractions. Now, what we're going to use is that CI scale for reciprocals, which essentially will give our answer for the fractions. So we'll start with 1/2. So in the world of reciprocals, that 2 up on CI is going to be 1/2 or 1/2. And if we look down on D, that'll give us zero point 0.5. Now we need to remember that 0.5. Now let's go down the CI scale again and we'll find 3 or 1/3, 1/3. And that'll give us 0.333. If we just remember 0.5, we'll multiply by that on the CI scale. You want to make sure that that's right underneath the hairline. So essentially we've multiplied 1/2 by 1/3. And if we go to the right index, we'll get our answer of 1/6, 1/6. So, just as a visual tool, the slide rule is a really interesting way of giving you a mental picture of this exact problem and how reciprocals and the C and D scales really work together to solve problems like this.